Welcome, everyone. My name is Professor Alex Gianninas, and this is Celestial Happenings for November 2025. Let's get started. First up this month, on November 5th, we have the full moon for the month of November, which is the second in a string of 3 supermoons. In fact, it's going to be the most super of the supermoons because it is, of the 3, the one where the moon is actually going to be closest to the Earth. The full moon in the month of November is called the beaver moon, and that's because it's at this time of year that beavers are typically preparing their dams to get ready for the wintertime. Next up, almost a week later, on the night of November 10th, Jupiter, which is going to appear like a very bright-looking star, but is actually one of the planets of the solar system, is going to be in close proximity to what will at that point be a waning gibbous moon. Fun fact, Jupiter is one of 5 planets that are visible to the naked eye and that we've known about since antiquity. Next up in the month of November, we have the Leonid meteor shower, which is going to be peaking on the evening of November 17th. Like all meteor showers, this is caused by the Earth passing through the debris of a comet, and in this case, it's the comet Tempel-Tuttle, Temple spelled like Temple Green. You can expect on a good clear night to see about 20 meteors or shooting stars per hour at the peak of the Leonid meteor shower. On the night of November 17th, you're going to want to look east after midnight toward the constellation of Leo, because like all meteor showers, the Leonid meteor shower takes its name from the constellation where the shooting stars appear to originate from, and so that's the constellation of Leo. And then finally, for the month of November, we are on Comet Watch. So there are 2 comets, Comet Lemon and Comet Swan, which have been flying through the night skies in the month of October. They might still be visible early in the month of November. Comet Lemon is just on the edge of being visible with the naked eye, but in both cases, you're probably better off using something like a good pair of binoculars to check them out. Extra fun fact for this video, comets and meteors are not the same thing. So when we talk about meteors and shooting stars, those are tiny specks of dust that burn up in the Earth's atmosphere, and that's why they create that flash of light, whereas comets are huge balls of dust and ice that live in the outer edges of the solar system, and when they swing inside and get close to the sun, some of their surface melts and they produce these bright visible tails that are spectacular to look at. And on that note, I'm wishing you all clear skies for the month of November so you can all go out there and seize the night. Carpe noctem. See you next time.